This paper we have drafted together with Aleksandra Jovanović from the National Assembly of Serbia has to do with the study of institutional twinnings in Serbia. From 2004 till 2019, we have studied 72 twinning projects from a variety of sectors, and our goal was to to screen these twinning projects in order to tackle a series of research questions that had to do first with possible quantitative and qualitative differences in the distribution of twinning, so how twinnings are being picked and in the first place. Then we wanted to study how twinning partners are being chosen, and for this we studied possible financial and political ties to Serbia. And last but not least, we have chosen to study institutional twinnings under the light of the wider Europeanization theory. And indeed, we were able to conclude that twinnings and their implementation can be explained using several elements and facets of the Europeanization theory. Aleksandra.
As my colleague from Hellenic Parliament, Fotios Fitsilis, just said, our research focused on twinning projects in Serbia implemented from 2004 to 2018. We concentrated our research to not only to the quantitative side of this project, but also to the quality of the projects implemented, twinning projects implemented in Serbia, as a part of a wider European integration process that Serbia is going through for a lot of years now. We came to a conclusion that, for instance, sectors mostly supported by twinning instrument in Serbia are the ones that are marked by both European Union strategic documents as well as the national ones, from the Serbian part, as one that are most important for this process, being justice and home affairs, agriculture, environment, and public administration reform. We also found out that bilateral economic and political ties can play some role to some extent to the choosing of twinning partner from the Serbian side. We also found out that some kind of ex-post evaluation of twinning projects would be needed in future, and that is one of our biggest findings and one of our recommendations for the future twinning projects implemented not only in Serbia but also in other candidate countries.
That being said, we invite Aleksandra, all interested parties, including the European authorities and stakeholders, to go through this very extensive document, and we remained at your disposal for answering any questions in this regard.